All right, we have a box design. Let's figure out how to cut it. So the box is 36 wide by 20 deep by 15 tall. Okay, so here's our box, 36, 15 for tall. We know the depth is 20. So if we're looking at it from above, it's going to be 20, 36. 36 is always our common factor number. So this is going to be a double top plate baffle. So we need 2 top plates, 1 bottom plate. We need a front, back, right, and left. These are the pieces of wood you'll need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need 7 pieces of wood. This box is going to have 2 tins and 3 arrow ports. You can do it in multiple configurations, but this is for that. We know that 36 is going to be our common factor number for the front and the tops and bottoms. 36, 36, 36, 36, 36. The right and left sides are going to be different. Now we know the top and everything is going to be 20 deep. So top is 20, 20, bottom is 20, front, what do you think? Is it going to be 20? No, incorrect. We're going to get to that in a second. The right sides are going to be 20, left side is going to be 20. You're probably thinking, oh, 15, 15, 15, 15. Incorrect again. Because here's the thing. If your total height is 15 inches tall, depending on your design, does that include your double baffle? Most of them are not, but some of them will. So in this case, we have 3/4 inch wood. So we gotta account for the bottom, top, and top. In this design, we're gonna count the top plate as part of that 15 inches because 15s are max in a lot of builds. So we need 3/4 by 3/4 by 3/4. That's not 3, 3. Okay? So what's that give us? Anybody quick math? So if you don't know quick math, you can do it very simply. You can go 9/4, so 2 1/4. Okay? So 2 1/4 from 15. That'd be 12 3/4. Okay? 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 1, add it, 15. See? So we're going to have 12 3/4, 12 3/4, 12 3/4, 12 3/4. Right? Anybody? Is that correct? No, it's actually not. And here's why. So this design would actually be correct if you accounted for you have to account for that 3/4 of an inch off of something. In this case, we can leave the sides. So an aerial view of the box. So this is looking at the top. It's going to be 36 by 20. This is going to go all the way. This is going to go all the way. So we will remove 3/4 of an inch from these 2 pieces of wood, the front and the back. But we got to remove 3/4 from each in each side. So 3/4 plus 3/4 is 1.5. So our true measurement is going to be what? 34.5. 34.5. So here we go. Final numbers. And I'm sorry if I confused y'all, but I had to show y'all how easy it is to mix these up. So the tops are 36 by 20. Bottom, 36 by 20. Those are the tops and the bottoms, whether it's single baffle, double baffle. The front Remember, we're having the wood on the sides come all the way through. So it's going to be 34.5 by 12 3/4. 34.5 by 12 3/4 for the back. Right side, we're keeping the true 20 because we want it to overhang into these with 12 3/4. Left side, same thing, 20 by 12 3/4. This will only work with a sealed enclosure or a arrow ported enclosure. If you are doing a L-shaped or slot ported enclosure, numbers will change. If you have any questions, let me know. I know it's a lot of math. It's not that hard, but it's easy to overthink, just like right here. We're able to overcome this. If you make any measurement too large, here's the biggest thing: dry fit your box. Dry fit every component. When you cut a piece, right front, back, top one, top two, right on every piece of material before you actually glue it. You cut it, put the measurement, and put what it is. Because if you have an issue like this, you can always cut off more. You cannot add. So if you cut these fronts 36 and you realize they're too large, you can take that 1.5 inches back off. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video helped you all out. Thanks for watching.